Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to do a quick review on this Grill Expert charcoal grill I bought. I bought this thing last year at Walmart of all places. I paid like 97 bucks for it at the time, and never had a charcoal grill before, never grilled on charcoal before, so it was a newbie to it. So we figured we'd buy this grill. We always cooked on propane, wanted to kind of see what it was all about, but I didn't want to buy a real expensive grill because I didn't know if I was going to like it. And ever since I bought this grill, that's all I use. It's awesome. Charcoal to me is the best thing you can cook on. I'll walk around it real quick and I'll show you some of the features of it. This grill is about a year old. It's been through the winter here in New England already. I had a cover on it, but yeah, it's been through snow. It's been through all kinds of stuff. And 1 year old. This is how it looks. It's in great shape. There's a storage rack underneath it. I tend to keep my brushes under there to clean off the grates, and like a dustpan, a little broom, and a scraper to clean like the charcoal tray. Right here, there's a beer opener, and there's two vents on here. Cooking something right now. Got some dogs going, so you can regulate the heat that way. Usually open the tops, leave the bottoms going. There is a tray right here on the right hand side, and some hooks to put some spatulas and utensils on, stuff like that. Right here, this is the ashtray. You can pull that out and empty it when it's cool. Here's a drawer right here. You can add some coals. This little tray that the coals are sitting in right now is adjustable. There's a handle right there to make it go up or down, and you just crank on it and it'll lower the coals down. You can throw some more coals on if you need to, or readjust them if you need to. So right now I got some dogs on there, and when I bought the grill, I wasn't sure if it was going to be big enough, but it's fine. I've cooked for 5 people on this, and there's totally enough room. Usually got burgers going, dogs, steak, chicken, you name it, it's on here. And it's been great. There's a top grill here too, so if you make some dogs, you can put them up there, keep them warm while other things are cooking. It also has a thermometer that tells the temperature at the top, so you can see how hot the grill is. And looks like our food's done. I hope you liked the video. Look in the description of the video, and I'll put a link to this grill over to it on Walmart. You can buy it right out of there. Thanks for watching, guys.